Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're doing the battery relocation. So we'll be putting it in the trunk. Got the kit here. How I started this video: came out in the garage, opened the trunk, and then this is what I saw. I had about 8 gallons of oil back here when I cleaned the garage. I was going to take to Walmart. Totally forgot to do that. Last drive I took with this. Ended up tipping one over, and it slowly leaked out over time. So first step is to clean that up, and then we can get started on this battery relocation. Let's go. Relocation kit off eBay. There's a lot of places you can buy it. It was the cheapest there. 17 feet of 2-gauge wire. I did some research. 2-gauge should be good for what car I have, and also I'm not running in subs or anything extra. I think it's like 32 inches or 36 inches of negative ground. Comes with a breather tube. Some all threads hold the battery down, battery strap, and then the box is right in here. Let's see, get it open. And I went with aluminum box because it is going to be in the trunk, and I'm just going to be using my standard battery. So it comes with the 4 sides, top and bottom. Along with that, I did order a fuse. So I got, I believe it was, let's see, yeah, 150 amp resettable fuse. And then I went to Harbor Freight and got some 1/2-inch loom. So that's what comes with the kit. Let's get the old battery out, and also the fuse box. We're going to be relocating that under the dash or in the glove box. So let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is just, I already loosened these up, but remove the battery, and then we'll probably remove the plate right under it. So unhook the battery, simple, take it out. So there's 2 more bolts right down here. Those are 12s. That might be a 12 too. So let's get this tray out of the way. So I got the tray out. They were all 12 millimeter, so there's 3 of them. Cleans it up. I'll be going with the harness through that plug right there. Also, I'll be cleaning up this headlight harness. Probably do that off camera. But if you want to see the video, I do have one cleaning up this side. It's pretty much the same, but this side turned out really good. Hid the harness plugs inside the firewall there. I'll leave a video down in the description below, and also maybe up here if I can figure that out. I think right here in this corner. Okay, next step I want to do is get this battery box together. Got the top, bottom, and the sides right there. Comes with all the hardware needed, the all thread, and the battery strap for the top. Looking at it over, looks like the all thread will come from the bottom, nut on the bottom, go through, and then nut on top. So let's get this together. sides together and looking this all over. Got the bottom piece right here. And how I think you mount it is you find where you want to put it, then drill the 2 holes, and the all thread will come from underneath the car to hold the whole box in place. The tray tightened down. The nuts are 14mm. Got a nut and washer on this side. And then from the bottom, got one right here and one right there. So I didn't really plan that through. Had to unhook this side so I could wrap around the all thread, since the all thread sticks up really high on this. Well, sometimes you just don't win. Holes do not line up at all. So I'm gonna have to try drill through this, make it fit. So in that last clip, I trimmed down the all threads to make it fit better. So now we'll take these, their little bushings, and the breather tube, put on the box here. I did screw up and take an L on this bracket. When I had it in, I had the all thread kind of pushed over here, it wasn't straight. So now the lid wouldn't fit with that brace on. So I'll just have to go Home Depot and get a new flat bar and make some holes. But right now it fits. The breather tube goes here. I'll have to drill a hole down in here where it can go under the car, and the bushings go right there. So let me just get this put together, and then we'll talk about what's next. So I got the battery box put in. I'm going to make this a 2-part video. So this battery box will be a separate video. This is what you're watching right now, part 1. Part 2 will be the wiring of the battery in the back, because I know a lot more people will want to watch that more than a battery box install. So I'll show you the final product if you're looking to get this style of battery box. Here it is. I left the protective film on it because I'll be taking it off, so I don't want to scratch it up. Here's the breather tube. I will have to drill a hole going out to atmosphere, and that's just so any fumes coming from this normal battery will be vented outside. Altogether, it's really sturdy, won't move. Once I get that high bar down, battery bar down, then I was looking over this fuse I got. I think I'll be mounting it somewhere right here on the battery box, because I'll have the power coming through here. It'll go to the fuse here, and then the rest of it will hook up there and go to the front of the car. Once again, one last look. mean, this was made for a lot bigger battery. That's the only one I could really find for a good price. And if I upgrade my battery and get a bigger one, it'll fit. So that'll wrap it up for part 1 of this battery relocation, getting the battery put in the back and in the box. I'm going to do a separate video for the wiring, because I know a lot more people will want to watch just the wiring part, because they have their own type of battery box or how they're going to do that. So that'll be the next video, the wiring. I will leave the wire tuck video right up here in this corner, if I can get it right here, maybe. If not, it'll be down in the description below. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, because I'm almost up to 250 subscribers. I want to get that before January 1st, so just hit that subscribe button down there. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.